Tap the floating plus button on the newsfeed. Then tap Thought to create a thought post. Select the required classroom in which you wish to share the thought post. Please note that as a learner, you can share a post with a single classroom at a time. Type the content of your post. You can use the rich text option to format your post. You can add new hashtags or use existing hashtags to easily filter your content later by them. Click the attachment section to add attachments to your post. You can directly take pictures and videos on your device or choose from your gallery and add them to the post. You can also attach existing materials to your post, upload files from your device or record audio and attach it to your post. If available, you can also pick files from file storage services such as Google Drive and OneDrive. Tap the Post button to share the post instantly.